What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to Closet Nerds. And my Deadpool mask is finally done. Got to do a little sanding up here, like I say. Now, I don't know whether I'm going to do the apple red or the colonial red. I think I may go with this. I like this one. It just looks a little darker. A lot darker than that one, to be honest with you. And again, I have to grab this here for the eyes, as you can see. I'll cut that out after I smoothen it up. And also, I have more of these. More of these little magnets here that go all around the eyes, the back of the helmet, everything. So, like I say, I just want you guys to check it out before we start. And stick around. Let's get this bad boy painted. Again, like always, you want to hit it with the primer first, okay? Please be safe. Gloves and mask. And sorry about the little mess right here. You know, we have projects throughout the week. So let's get to work. All right. Yeah, I might have to hit this more than once. I can see it now. Certain parts of it. But either way it goes, this will be nice. I just love the way the texture came out, you know, as far as the Deadpool, man, like this was a nice texture. It was beautiful. And by the way, if you guys are interested in purchasing this, head on over to Deal 3D. Well, do3d.com. And they have a beautiful line of all type of things. So if you're interested, go ahead and take a look over there. Not expensive at all. So remember, guys, safety first, all times. All right, so what I'm gonna do now is let this dry. Come back, sand it down a little bit more. Stick with me. Okay, guys, I had to spray paint these spoons to get a quick comparison. This is the apple red color. Looks nice, but a little too bright for Deadpool, in my opinion. And then I have this one, which is the colonial red. And hold on, it has to focus for a second. Okay, boom. I think I like that one over this one. Like, just look at the two side by side. That's nice. That's very nice. That's bright. But we're talking about Deadpool here. We talking about Deadpool here. This could be, to me, could be more of a cherry red. So I think I'm gonna go with this one instead of that one. But in the meantime, in between time, y'all stick with me. I just sanded it one more time. I'm gonna hit it with one more coat of primer. And let's get to it, people. Okay. I'm back. Here's the easy part. That is the easy part. You know, the eyelids are definitely easy. I may throw a whole gloss on this when I'm done. Not bad. Not bad at all. Don't let that dry. But in the meantime, let's put this back up. And like I told you guys, this was the cherry. Well, apple. Nice color, but it looks more like Spider-Man. And this is the vote. And it is in. We're gonna go with Colonial Red. And it has a gloss finish, so it'll be nice and neat. Shake it up. Let's get it there. Okay, there we go. Let's get all this nice and right. Oh, I gotta step all over the place. And this red right here, like I said, I like it because it kind of reminds me of that cherry red. That's the only reason why I like it. Be right back. Okay, YouTube, I am back. And quick bit, I use this little wire ribbon for most of my eyes unless I want to make them light up. I just went ahead and cut out a nice snip like this. And I want to turn it over just like this. And I'm going to put a little glue here and kindly press it right there. I can't do it right now because I have the camera in my hand and I didn't invest into a tripod just yet. But give me a few seconds. I will be right back and I'll show you how it looks. And just like that, guys, we are done. I do like the way this looks. This looks amazing to me. So, only thing left to do with this is to hit it with a nice clear gloss. And I'm going to do that off screen. But like, comment, and subscribe. And when you comment, give me an idea for something else to make. See you next time.